Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have your model kit from 012 or the GTO Chinese plastic model kit company, or this one of the bootlegs in the market nowadays. And this came from the grunt suit from the Gundam 00 series, the GNX 603P, and yep, my second 012 kit to build. And as far as I remember, I built the F90 from this line, and that's very nice. The kit is decent, and only I encountered one major problem. The side skirt peg is missing or broken. But this one, let's see what the 012 GNX will offer us bootleg collectors. Panginviraan, Moose Kids. Let's see this. GNX 603P from 012 or the GTO. And I find the box very nice and decent compared with the first F90 fighter. This one comes with a handle, just as you can see. Take a look at this. Okay, you can carry it with a handle. So if you're going to buy it from the mall, you can carry it proudly on this handle here. So I bought it from Hubbyte Toys for around 1,175 pesos, and this is a decent price, reasonable price for a bootleg. So the box here shows, again, it's like an artwork, same with the F90 fighter. So the artwork here shows the activated GN drive of this in the kit's chest. And same with the other side of the box, they have the same box art. So on the other side here, you can see warning, choking hazard, and it's made from China. And there, the name on the other side of the box. Okay, so if you're open, let's open this box here, and yep, it's the box content. You can see the instruction manual, which is looks like really looks like from the Bandai manuals. So kamukhang kamukha ng mga nasa Bandai, pero artwork yung nasa harapan niya. So if you're open, I'm going to open this manual. We can see the parts list, and yes, I can see some pieces here with cross mark, which means you will not able to use this parts here, so it's not included with the kit. So this is really a direct copy from Bandai. And even the polycaps, this is your same PC135, if I'm not mistaken. The PC135 or the polycaps 135 runners from Bandai, and there are cross marks. And I'm curious about using the original PC135 because I have so much polycap runners from the seed kits. Maybe they can fit this model. I will just try, by the way. And of course, the manual here is the same, just the same with the Bandai black and white. Okay, so very nice, very appealing, simple, straightforward, and yep, there. Also there. So I'm not there's a sequence missing on this manual, so merong kulang dito, which is the action-based stand, the instruction, and at the same time the LED placement, which we will see later. Okay, So, okay. The packs here, we got, yep, this is what I'm talking about. The PC135 polycaps. This metallic gray runners. This is so nice. Although I think this is just a sprayed metallic. So this is a gray runner, but sprayed with metallic gray color. Okay. So again, metallic gray runners, white runners, metallic gray runners for the inner frame parts. Again, metallic gray runners. So napakarami niyang metallic gray runners. Then yes, I like this. I like the color of this. This is pearlescent white, but I think this is just a pearlescent sprayed runners. Okay. Then we got this metallic gray runners again. Yes. Then we got here dry transfer decals and foil stickers, which looks a bit crappy. Okay, and we got action-based stand. Yes, we got action-based stand and the cape, and we got this battery-operated one, which is very nice. I'm very curious about this. And finally, we got excess plastic piece here. I don't know what's inside of this supposed to be, but it's empty. And there we got the GN Drive lights, which is very nice. Sa presyong 1,000 to 1,125 or 1,175 pesos, sabay merong ganito na. Sobrang sulit na compared to Bandai without this set. Sobrang sulit na itong bootleg na to. So, advisable you buy this thing. Okay, so there we got the LED application here, the LED lights, which is yeah, maganda to, maganda. Yeah, I feel hindi ako so lugi dito sa binili kong ito. So nice. Okay. Okay, as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. Let's start with this big runner here, runner G, and I find the plastic here very nice. The plastic quality is not that brittle, and it's in par with the Bandai quality plastic. So ang galing, para siyang Bandai na din kung kakapain mo. So mararamdaman mo naman yan pag kinapa mo yung plastic, if it is brittle or not. And yeah, makunat siya actually, yung makunat. Hindi siya yung malutong or parang malambot, nababakat yung scratch mark mo. So this is yep, this is sturdy. Parang daban quality rin actually. This runner G, by the way. And we got here runner E. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-gray niya. The gray color here is like yung metallic injection. Parang ganun yung dating niya. Metallic gray injected plastic. So, ang ganda. And there we have here runner B. Ito parang pinilit siyang runner B. Ito naman medyo malutong siya. So I think be careful with this kind of plastic. Mukha siyang malutong. And what I find with this plastic, it is a spray painted metallic gray or metallic silver, something like that, or metallic gray. Yes, metallic gray spray painted plastic on this side, but dito sa likod mapapansin nyo wala siyang spray, dito lang sa harap. So dito naman sa runner J, ang ganda rin ng pagkaka-spray niya dito, medyo bronzy, metallic bronzy colored ganun. So, ano lang naman sa harapan, pero sa likod niya, this is just an ordinary gray plastic. So, imagine, sulit na tong kit na to for the price of 1,175. Tapos, spray painted pa yung ibang parts. Sulit na to eh. Ang galing eh. Mamaya may ano pa to. Meron pang accessories. Anyway, if you're going to compare this Runner D here to the Runner J, magkaiba yung shade ng kanilang color. Ito nga sabi ko sa inyo, parang may pagka-bronze. I don't know if in camera mukha siyang bronze. But in actual sight, medyo siyang bronze colored. And this one, metallic silver. Right? Okay, let's go with this pearlescent sprayed plastic. So, hindi siya actually pearlescent white talaga na injection plastic. Ano siya, spray painted lang din. Ito talaga yung real color niya, white. But on this part, for the armor pieces, spray painted siya. Yun lang medyo parang malutong ito. So, ingat lang pag nag-cut na ito, tsaka nag-snap. Kung malutong to, magka-crack agad. So, this is Runner B, by the way. And we got here Runner I for the inner frame part. Ito medyo makunat siya, yung mga inner frame parts makunat. Then we got here Runner C. Okay, may mga natatanggal ng pyesa sa runners. And ito spray painted din siya ng metallic gray. Also this one, Runner A, spray painted. We got here Runner A ulit. So we got two sets of Runner A. I think magkakadikit lang to eh, supposed to be, di ba? Okay. Then we got here Runner F for the inner frame parts and Runner H again for the inner frame parts. We got the clear purple runner here for the GN drive. This is again Runner A na naman daw. And finally we got Runner A ulit. This is pearlescent white again na spray painted. Then we got this Neem Saber effect parts, clear pink. And we got yung polycaps, copy of PC135 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So, okay. And for the accessories, let's go with this bunch of accessories here. We got dito muna tayo sa action-based stand and foil stickers, by the way. This is what they call this, dry transfer decals and foil sticker for the lenses and the eyes. Okay, let's go with this action-based stand here. What I found here, we got this I think this has a light on it. Yes, we got a battery operated action-based stand, and we got instruction here also. But unfortunately, this shaft here or this tube here is not fitted dito sa gitna. So supposed to be dito yan nakakabit, pero this is not fitted, which is ano ba yan? Hindi na natin magagamit. So I guess I can improvise something from the other action-based stand instead of this trash cheap stick here. And also we got connector points here. Ayan, may mga natatanggal na nga dito sa ano niya, sa runners. So this is the same with your F90 runner for the action base. So pareho lang siya ng F90. And we got here runners for the GN drive, kung saan yung lalagay yung lights later. And we got this cape with guided wire on the edges. So para siyang brief, kung ano naman brief ito na gula-gulanit. So pwede pala kung meron kayong gula-gulanit na brief, you can make it as a cape for your Gundams or Gunpla. Black underwear. Okay. Tapos meron siyang tali dito. I don't know para saan itong tali na to. Later we will see. Or I think There's no instruction here about that. And ito yung magaling, meron ditong name for the GNX 603T. So dito mo siya ilalagay, kakabit mo siya pa ganyan dito. Tapos nakatayo dito yung model, or supposed to be may action-based stand siyang ganyan. Pero wala eh. Wala ito eh. Tapo tayo dito sa may sa may LED lights niya. So we got LED lights here na may screwdriver na naman, parang sa Tamiya. So we got screwdriver. Same with the F90 fighter. So we got this one. And we got magnets. And may magnets siya. We got magnets here. Okay. And batteries. Clock battery. So let's try kung gagana nga ito. So the instruction, by the way, yes, pag ganito siya, and yan, ganito. Okay. So paano siya iilaw? I think may pinipindot dito yan eh. We use magnet, I think. Wala naman, ayaw. Bakit ganun? Or baka naman walang battery to. Baka sira na. Anyway, ayun, nice. See, red light. Very nice. How about the other one? Tingnan natin. Okay, the other one. Okay. Again, red light na naman. Astig. Ayos. And let's check this one. Buksan natin. Okay. Imagine for the price of 1,175, sulit na sulit to. Meron ka ng ganito. Okay, so AAA battery. So let's try this with the AAA battery. I have here AAA. Gamitin natin tong sa AC natin. May aircon tayo. Gamitin muna natin yung remote. Okay. Try the AC battery. Nice! So nice. Ang galing. Perfect for display. Ang ina. Check natin sa Gundam. What I got here. So, for example, we use Gundam Epion here. So the band Epion, let's check this. Ay, medyo pack heavy siya. So ganyan lang natin, tilt natin konti. Then let's put some light on Gundam Epion. Damn! Yeah, galing. Damn. Naging menace looking siya. Menacing. Nice. Very nice. Di ako nagkamaling binili ko to. Itong GNX 603. Imagine, sulit na sulit. So, this is most recommended. So, this is the part 1 for this Gundam or the GNX model kit from GTO 012. Guys, bilhin nyo to. And I think hindi kayo magsisisi dito. So just wait for the part 2 pag nabuo ko na yung kit. Thank you very much. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night. God bless. Take care. Have a nice day. Happy building.